Welcome back to my channel Mini Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter E. First we will learn how to write capital letter E. First you must write a standing line, then a sleeping line, one more sleeping line, one more sleeping line. This is E. E. This is capital letter E. Now we will learn one more time. First we write a standing line, one sleeping line, one more sleeping line, one more sleeping line. When we write sleeping line, one must be in the top, one must be in the middle, one must be in the down. Now I will show it one more time. First you must write a standing line, and sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Now we will learn how to write small e. For writing small e, first you must write a sleeping line and a curve. Small e. A sleeping line and a curve. Small e. One sleeping line and a small c. What is this? Small letter E. Now we will write two letters together. First we write capital letter E. One standing line, one sleeping line, one more sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Then we write small e. First one sleeping line and a curve. E. Now let's learn some pictures. Start with E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for ear. Now I will show you the sign of E. Now I will teach you the sound of E. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you in the next video.